What up, YouTube? It's your boy Toro Bravo. Back again. Staten Island Mall. Heading to Champ Sports. So I hit on the app to reserve men's size Air Jordan 11 Concord. I also hit on Finish Line at Foot Locker to reserve a kid size 11 Concord. So I'm heading right now. I'll see you guys in a few. What up, family? Toro Bravo here. About to go into Champ Sports. See you in a bit. What is up, YouTube? Just came out of Champ Sports. Here we are. What up, Toro Bravo gang? It's your boy Toro Bravo. What's going on with y'all? As Sniper Jones would say, I'm talking about on. Welcome back to another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up. So the Air Jordan 11 Retro Concord released this Saturday. It's Monday. Had to prioritize family first. Should know how that goes. So I'm doing a comparison video today. I'm unboxing the men's pair and the gray school pair that I caught from Champ Sports and Staten Island Mall that I was able to reserve on the app. Shout out to Champ Sports, making it an easy breezy cop. So let's get right to them. Let's check the men's pair first. Comes with the 1995 box that the original came with. Kind of disappointed because I was expecting the slide out box that we know and love for all Air Jordan 11s. But it is what it is. Here's this stamp. Pause the video, read for yourself. It says Air Jordan 11 Retro, size 9.5. The colorway reads white, black Concord. So let's get right to them. Voila. In my opinion, this is a sneaker of the year. Let me know in the comment section if you feel this is a sneaker of the year. If not, then let me know which one you believe should be sneaker of the year. You can see this Jumpman is facing away from the heel. High cup patent leather. Textured leather. Nylon upper. Screen printed 45. If you pay $220, you expect quality, but it is what it is. So 360. See the third row of the lacing has Jordan Jumpman with the Concord purple Jumpman. Check the outsole. The white Jumpman, Concord pods, carbon fiber. I don't know if you could see, it has Nike Air on the insole. Check the right shoe. I'm hoping everybody checked their pairs before they left the stores. There were some pairs that were factory defective with missing arms on the Jumpman or the missing head. Should be the same. Now, the men's pair came with the black plastic paper wrap. So let's check the gray school pair right away. The box is a lot different. There's a lift tab attached. And the paper is a lot different. Check the stamp. It reads Air Jordan 11 Retro GS, size 6.5Y. The same colorway, white, black Concord. Price $270. Here's a gray school pair. Right away you can see this is a low cut patent leather. Third row, the lacing should be the same. Same for the Jumpman, facing away from the heel. Screen print to 45. Nike Air insole. Same exact thing. That's the right shoe. And the gray school pair also happens to come with the Jumpman sticker. For y'all that want to troll your friends. Right shoe. Now, the difference that I see is the gray school pair comes with the cardboard shoe tree, while the men's pair comes with Concord purple shoe tree made of plastic. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. These were a must-have for me, you know. I slept on the 2016 Space Jam that came out, so had to get one of them grills. Next grill that I want to get is the 2019 December release of the Bread 11s. Some don't feel it. Some prefer the cool grays over the breads. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer the cool grays or you prefer the Bread 11s to release in December next year, 2019. So tomorrow, Tuesday, my niece's pair is coming. Hopefully I could do a review tomorrow. Thank you for watching, you guys. This is Toto Bravo signing out. Deuces.